Hey there, everyone. Welcome to In and Out. Let's get started.
A good hobby is highly important to personal growth, mental well-being, and quality of life. Here are the key reasons why having a hobby matters. Engaging in a hobby provides a break from daily stressors. It helps shift focus away from work or personal challenges, offering a chance to recharge. Hobbies can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression by fostering mindfulness and a sense of accomplishment. Activities like painting, gardening, or journaling act as therapeutic outlets for emotions. Many hobbies, such as playing a musical instrument, knitting, or practicing yoga, require dedication and persistence, helping to cultivate discipline and patience. Active hobbies like hiking, swimming, or cycling enhance physical fitness and stamina. Even less intense hobbies like gardening contribute to physical well-being. A good hobby encourages a healthy work-life balance by ensuring you allocate time for personal interests, preventing overworking and promoting holistic well-being. Dopamine. Associated with pleasure and reward, dopamine is often released when doing something enjoyable. Serotonin contributes to feelings of happiness and well-being, which can arise when pursuing a passion. Endorphins. If the activity involves physical movement, like dancing, sports, or crafting, endorphins can reduce stress and induce a sense of euphoria. Here are some hobby suggestions.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.